As you can see by this thermometer here hanging in the shade under that eave, it is a nice cool morning here in the desert. I've got to get busy and start working on this building right here. This building is a shed that contains a little bit of my tooling. My goal here in this shed is to be able to clear out all this stuff in the way. I got to find a new place to put that bicycle, and I got to work my way back to that corner back there, removing all the debris and stuff that's on the floor. It's miscellaneous stuff I usually dig through when I want to do a project. At least that was the intent. Only now I've been overwhelmed by too much stuff everywhere. This pile here I've also got to dig out, because right there at the bottom is a old air conditioner that was given to me. I'm going to be taking that out and hope it still works. And I'm going to install it in that wall back there. That's my first goal. The second one is to keep digging my way back there and take that shelf that's hiding back there against the back wall and install it up on the wall where it belongs. And then hopefully I'll be able to reorganize this mess into a place that I can actually work in. Well, it has climbed to 110 degrees and I'm tired of being cooked to death, so I figured I'd close up things a little bit and get on inside. Well, the temperature's a little cooler today, but the humidity is also quite high. I've been delayed a day here for, it turned out that area there, as you can see by the condition of the dirt, the whole area here turned into a lake. We had a rainstorm come through, and as a result we had almost 24 hours of flash flood warning, which kept me from being able to come out here and work. This is the hole that we cut out in preparation for being able to install the air conditioner. It turned out that we got this power line that comes up through this part of the wall, unfortunately, which means that I'm going to have to put a mounting board higher up than I had anticipated. It's either that or trying to tear the wire out and replace it, which means tearing half the wall apart. So I'm going to be putting a board from this level on right across for the baseboard, and then I have to cut the rest of that out. I had to cut it a little higher because of that. So here we go. Well, that's nature for you. We had a big black cloud fly overhead. A lightning bolt knocked our power out, so we're without power right now. And as you can see, I have this nice little lake again here in front of my shed. So I guess I'm not going to be doing any more work today. Damn rodent holes. That was rude. Now, hornets in this area like to crawl into little gaps like that and make nests. So I'm going to be putting duct tape over this to seal it. And the same with this side also, and across the top. Okay, I've got the unit cleaned out, working together. Now for the acid test. Blowing air real good. And we are getting air conditioning. Cool air. Valuable stuff out here in the desert. Okay, the shelf is finally done and mounted on the wall.